Hello everyone, this is Steven from Saga Concepts here with another unboxing video. Here is the Roronoa Zoro One Piece Volume 100 Anniversary Edition. Let's open it up. Okay. This is probably going to be boxed like all of the other Straw Hats. Wound up packaging. Okay. So we have Zoro, the base. Inside of underneath the feet there are holes, and it looks like they wrapped his swords excellently. So let's get him out. Let's free him. So they have little holes here, so if you want to just stretch them open, that's fine. I'm just going to help you use my box cutter here. Get Zoro out. He's got his 3 blades, so we'll be able to hold one. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's see. So, with Zoro's, there are these little, it's maybe hard to see, but there's like this little incline, and they actually match the inclines of his boots. So that'll be easy to put him down on that. Perfect. And it looks like his feet are perfectly flush. Let's get his last sword. Oop, let's be careful with this. Let's not shipped all the way from Japan. Let's not break it now. All right, perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna be careful. Use my safety box cutter. Perfect. There we go. Roronoa Zoro, ready to fight King, Queen, Kaido, Big Mom. Available now, Saga Concepts.